It's fascinating that in America the biggest issue with food waste is on the consumer side. So it's what we take home from restaurants, what we make at home, what we purchase in the stores. There are a number of different things that consumers can do to make sure that they're not wasting food at home. On average, the average American, man, woman, and child, throws away every year 271 pounds of food, which is about a $500 value for each house, for each person in every household. So if you're a family of four, that's $2,000 a year of your hard-earned money that you're throwing into the garbage. So we have got to continue to share ideas on how people at home can mitigate the amount of food waste that they're generating. It may be that they need to think about what they're buying and store it better. For example, a very simple tip would be don't put your meats at the top of the refrigerator where then some of the residual liquids can drip down on the food below. That happens a lot. People end up throwing away that product. That's the kind of stuff that we want to make sure people are aware of so that they can stop doing those things or to figure out better storage. As we're working in the industry on food waste mitigation, we have to get our own house in order. And throughout the years, General Mills has been basically disposing of our food in our normal disposal process, our food waste. So it's been going to the trash, and here on the Twin Cities campus, that trash has gone to the downtown Minneapolis incinerator for destruction. Well, we as a food manufacturer and with our culinary center here, our cafeteria for the 3,300 employees here, generate about 2 tons of food scraps every week. So we partnered with Allied, who is now picking up all of that food scraps and composting it. We discovered a couple of different things. One is it actually saves us money. It's cheaper for us to compost and have Allied pick it up than it was to put it into our normal trash process. So it's saving us money, and at the same time we're creating this compost now which can go back into the soil and help us with crops. So it's a win-win. There's really no downside to getting your food scraps out of the waste stream and getting it into a composting stream.